Put garlic in your ear and see what happens. The result will surprise you. I'm sure this tip will be completely new to you. But once you've discovered the reason behind it, I bet you'll want to try it right away. After all, it's extremely simple to do and can bring incredible benefits. Garlic is one of the world's most popular ingredients, widely used in cooking to enhance the flavor of food. However, what many people don't know is that it has powerful properties that go far beyond the kitchen. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal in this video. But before I explain why you should put garlic in your ear, I want to show you some other incredible uses for this powerful ingredient. If you suffer from acne, garlic can be a great ally in eliminating pimples. Thanks to its antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties, it fights the microorganisms that cause acne. To use it, simply crush a few cloves of garlic, mix with a little water and apply to the skin. Rinse thoroughly after a few minutes. The result? Cleaner, healthier-looking skin. If you deal with dandruff, this tip could transform your routine. Grate 4 cloves of garlic, mix with a tablespoon of olive oil, and leave the mixture to rest for a day or two. Then apply it to your scalp, massaging well, and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing your hair as usual. With frequent use, dandruff tends to disappear gradually. Do you have the flu? Garlic can help with that too. Chop up a clove of garlic, put it in a cup of hot water. Leave it for 5 minutes, strain it, and drink it. This natural remedy relieves flu symptoms and helps speed up recovery. Now that you know some of the amazing uses of garlic, it's time to reveal the trick of putting it in your ear. If you suffer from ear pain, this tip can provide quick and natural relief. All you need is 2 chopped garlic cloves, which should be placed in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. Heat over medium heat until the garlic turns golden. When it reaches this point, turn off the heat and transfer the liquid to a container. Once it has cooled, moisten a piece of absorbent cotton in the oil and place it in your ear for about 3 minutes. This process helps relieve pain in the ear, usually caused by inflammation or mild infections. This method was widely used by our grandmothers, but fell out of favor over time. In addition to all its health benefits, garlic is an excellent ally in the treatment of hearing problems. That's it! If you like this tip, try it at home. Cheers, and see you in the next video.